Peter M. Unabia, sir, and to Ma'am Ging Unabia, to our visionary and supportive Congressman Eugenie Vicente Bambi Imano, sir, Vice Governor Jeremy Junimar Pelaye, sir, and all provincial board members, the host mayor of Initaw, Mayor Mercy Grace Akain, ma'am, and all municipal mayors, all honored guests, distinguished leaders, valued partners from government and private sector, my colleague in the provincial government of Misamis Oriental, members of the community, all visitors from the law enforcement, prosecution, courts, correctional institution, and the community. Ladies and gentlemen, maayong buntag nga puno sa paglaom kanatong tanan. Good morning again, and welcome to this landmark moment of our community and our justice system in the history of Misamis Oriental. Today, we stand on the grounds of a facility that reflects our collective commitment to reform, respect for human dignity, and progress within our justice system. An exemplar worthy of emulation throughout the country. To quote the words of the former South African President Nelson Mandela, he said, "It is said that no one truly knows a nation until one has been inside its jails. A nation should not be judged by how it treats its highest citizens, but its lowest ones." Unquote. This moment symbolizes progress and innovation, but also embodies our unwavering commitment to safety, reformation, and the establishment of a fairer society guided by the Paglaong strategic agenda of our provincial governor, Honorable Peter M. Unabia, particularly the letter U, Unified Efforts for Health and Social Services Delivery, which prioritizes the least, the last, and the lost, or the least fortunate sector of our society, the persons deprived of liberty. Please allow me to extend our deepest gratitude to our leaders who have made this project possible. To our former governor, our visionary governor, and now the 2nd District Representative, Honorable Eugenie Vicente Bambi B. Imano, sir. Thank you, sir. Who, with vision and resolve, laid the groundwork of this project. To our esteemed active and supportive Governor, Honorable Peter Senior Pedro M. Unabia, sir, who has championed its completion with steadfast dedication and commitment for unified effort for social services delivery for the less fortunate sector of our society and targeting poverty eradication. Also to our supported Honorable and Vice Governor Jeremy Jigjat Pelaye, sir, and all the Sangguniang Panlalawigan members of Misamis Oriental, your leaderships and partnerships have brought this project from vision to reality, and we are immensely very grateful. This new jail facility goes beyond simply addressing the need for space. It embodies our mission to create a safer, more compassionate and reformative environment. For those under our care, within this world we have spaces dedicated not only to security, but growth, for livelihood, learning areas, educational sites, interfaith spaces, infirmary, and even courtrooms. All elements that underscore our commitment to the Paglaong strategic agenda of the province. Our collective works, the law enforcement, the prosecution, courts, correctional institution, and the community reflects a belief in the possibility of transformation, the power of hope, and the necessity of human dignity. Today, as we officially inaugurate and turn over this new jail facility, we also turn a new page and chapter that will see not only the safer housing of PDLs, but also provide them with the tools to reimagine their future, to reconnect with their communities, and to contribute positively when they go back to the mainstream society. In the coming days, the transfer of all PDLs to this new home, we are confident that this facility will serve as a model of humane, reformative correction, and a place where change is not only possible, but encouragement with vision. Thank you, and again, welcome to all for joining us in this